Now, I don't know about y'all's babies, but my kids love to be nice and clean, and I'm a firm believer that there is no age limit on good hygiene. So I decided to head over to Dollar Tree to make my son some hygiene pouches to put in their backpack for school. As a society, I don't think that it's talked about much to make sure that our boys have just as good hygiene as girls and make sure that they keep up with themselves during the day. One thing about me, baby, I'm not finna have no stinking kids. My boys are ages 7 and 5. There are some things that I did get for my 7-year-old that I didn't get for my 5-year-old, like lotion and deodorant for school, because I know that he'll probably make a mess with it. Like I said, I don't think that there's an age limit on good hygiene, so that will also come in due time.